现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Icrt客家風 on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this whole month is all about the phrase to take pictures.
翕相
Hip 胸 that means 拍照啦。因为手机这么方便，那可能大家也有这种正常的单眼相机，尤其出国一定要带这种东西了，对不对？出国旅游回来一定会拍很多照啦。
是啊。
对 ，So if you go abroad, if you go on a vacation, of course you're gonna take a lot of pictures, and you're gonna ask your friends who went abroad to show them to you, maybe, right? Let's put you in this situation, okay? 就是有人出国玩回来要看照片 ，OK？ 听说你去日本玩有拍照吗 ？I heard you went to Japan. Did you take some pictures?
唐講唔去日本了，
唐講唔去日本了。
有翕相冇？
有翕相冇？有沒有照相啊？有翕相 that means did you take picture when you went to Japan? Japan 就是日本 ，OK？
唐講唔去日本了，有翕相冇？
Of course， 這是一定的嘛，對不對？幾千張吧，對啊，有啊，拍非常多呢。Yes, of course, took a lot of pictures.
有啊，
有啊，
翕動到呢，
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 翕動到呢，懂呢？我好像要懂那什麼東西啊？對，怎麼辦？對，懂那啊，我要想到我要懂那啊。
翕動到呢，
懂到呢 ？OK， 好。
有啊，
有啊，
翕動到呢，
翕動到呢。That's right, I took a lot of pictures, right? 那快拿來看看啊 Let's take a look at it.
夾拿來看啊，
夾拿來看啊。OK， 再一次。
夾拿來看啊，
夾拿來看啊。Okay, that means hurry up. 夾 That means hurry. Well, I know this one. 拿來
就是拿來咯。
Yeah, bring it over and let's take a look at it. 看 Okay, that means to look. Yeah, 快拿來看看啊。
夾拿來看啊，
夾拿來看啊。All right.So it's time to review some of these phrases we taught you, such as I heard, 聽說，
唐講，
唐講 okay, and then a lot, right? Took a lot of pictures, a lot, 非常多，
懂到，
懂到 and then to look at it, 看，
看，
要看，要一起來看了齁，這個可能要看很久啊，如果拍了幾百張，對不對？So there you go. This month we're teaching you how to say the phrase 拍照 to take a picture.
翕相，
翕相 and now you know that is today's Icrt客家on ICRT.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.